Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is for you if you're a Salesforce professional preparing for the Salesforce Business Analyst Certification exam. Today, we'll discuss how Salesforce features and best practices can impact solution options and business processes. Understanding this will help you make informed decisions when designing and implementing Salesforce solutions. So let's get started. Salesforce offers many features to help organizations streamline business processes and improve efficiency. Some key features you should be familiar with as a Salesforce business analyst include Sales Cloud, a CRM platform for managing sales, marketing, and customer support. Service Cloud, a customer service platform that allows organizations to provide support and manage customer interactions. Marketing Cloud, a platform for managing multi-channel marketing campaigns and customer journeys. Community Cloud, a platform enabling online communities for customers, partners, and employees. Salesforce Lightning, a modern user interface that offers a streamlined experience for users and developers. Now that we've covered some key Salesforce features, let's discuss Salesforce best practices. These guidelines and recommendations can help you maximize the value of your Salesforce implementation. Some essential best practices include: keep it simple. Start with out-of-the-box functionalities and customize only when necessary. Data quality. Maintain accurate, consistent, up-to-date data across your Salesforce instance. Security and permissions. Implement proper security measures and ensure users can access only the necessary data. Scalability. Design your solution to grow with your organization's needs and consider long-term requirements. User adoption and training. Ensure users are comfortable with the platform by providing adequate training and support. Knowing Salesforce features and best practices is essential, but understanding how they impact solution options is just as important. As a Salesforce business analyst, consider the following when evaluating solution options. Feature compatibility. Ensure the solution leverages Salesforce features that align with your organization's needs and requirements. Customization versus configuration. Balance out-of-the-box functionalities with necessary customizations to meet unique business needs while adhering to best practices. Integration. Evaluate the impact of integrating Salesforce with other systems in your organization and choose a solution that facilitates seamless data flow and interoperability. Cost effectiveness. Consider the overall cost of the solution, including licensing, implementation, maintenance, and potential custom development. Compliance and security. Ensure the chosen solution adheres to industry standards and regulatory requirements and follows Salesforce security best practices. Finally, let's discuss how Salesforce features and best practices can impact business processes. Process automation. Utilize Salesforce features like workflow rules, process builder, and flow to automate repetitive tasks, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency. Collaboration. Leverage features like Chatter and Community Cloud to enhance communication and cooperation among team members, partners, and customers. Reporting and analytics. Use Salesforce reporting and dashboard capabilities to gain insights into business performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Customer centricity. Implement a solution that puts the customer at the center of your business processes, using tools like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud to deliver personalized experiences. Continuous improvement. Adopt a culture of ongoing optimization by monitoring user adoption, gathering feedback, and refining your Salesforce implementation over time. And there you have it. As a Salesforce business analyst preparing for the certification exam, understanding how Salesforce features and best practices impact solution options and business processes is crucial. By considering these factors, you can design and implement solutions that meet your organization's needs and drive efficiency, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave your questions or comments below, and we'll do our best to help you. Subscribe to our channel for more Salesforce business analyst tips and insights. Until next time, keep learning and good luck with your certification exam.